Yes, here's what happened. The Michigan Department of Health and Human Services tells me that there are 3 people in Michigan, 2 here in Washington County, where I am right now, and 1 in Macomb County, who recently traveled to Wuhan, China. And when they returned back to Michigan, they developed flu-like symptoms. Right now, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention are keeping an eye out for people who have a cough, difficulty breathing, fever, and recently traveled to Wuhan, China. While there are no confirmed cases of novel coronavirus in Michigan, 3 people fit those parameters, 1 in Macomb County and 2 in Washtenaw County.
If you have that combination of the travel, potential exposure, as well as these symptoms, then we do want people to contact their healthcare provider. And it's important to do that before you go in so that if you end up testing positive for this, we're not causing additional exposures.
Susan Ringler-Cernigli of the Washtenaw County Health Department tells me given the fact it is cold and flu season, it's very possible they do not have the virus making international headlines. Results are expected in several days. While at least 26 deaths have been connected to the virus internationally, all cases being investigated in Michigan have presented with mild illness.
Mild symptoms, but they have the symptoms. So until we know what those test results look like, both of those individuals are being isolated at home, so they're not exposing additional people. And we're monitoring their health as well as the health of any household contacts.
As for how to protect yourself, it is a respiratory airborne illness spread like the cold or the flu.
So that it's spread through coughs, sneezes, close contact with others. So that covering, that staying away, that hand washing, all really important.
One challenge that health leaders tell me they're facing is that because this is such a new virus, they don't know the details on just how contagious it is. For example, how long it remains contagious when it's on a surface. They're working to get answers so that they can advise people on what they need to do to protect themselves. We'll continue following this and let you know when results are back. Reporting live in Washtenaw County, Kim Russell, 7 Action News.